أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر أشهد أن لا
100,000 human heartbeats a day? Or 150,000? Shockingly, it is 100,000. You've seen the big water containers that you normally have in the office. 5 liters of blood, the equivalent of one of those containers, is pumped around your body. Your body, average by the way, not an athlete like our young Nassim. We're talking about an average person 100,000 times. Now, why is that important? Why did I ask you about speed? And why did I ask you about heartbeat? It's because as Muslims, we believe that we're not in control of any of that. Someone's keeping us ticking every moment of every day, keeping liters of blood flooding around our body every day. And we attribute that to our Creator, the only one that we believe could have done that. And fasting is all about that, because it's connecting the one who keeps us ticking every day throughout our day. So we get an opportunity to remember them, because they've never forgotten us. So which of these is not... The one who's created it. Next question. Who is the only person, a different question to last year in case anyone tries cheating it, the only person mentioned to have fasted in the whole... That is crazy. That is pretty crazy. But you are, shockingly, correct. Running through your body right now. Fascinating. I'm going to connect why I've actually got that question in a moment. Next question. How many times does an average human heart beat every day? Between 10,000 and 150,000 are your potential answers. Your time starts now. Bro, just give it up, bro. Table power, you got power on the table, ask around, what do you think? Take a quick pulse count, I don't know, heart check. Doctors on the table. We've got representation of hospital there, by the way. Yeah? Alright, your time's up, time's up. I know you're thinking this is really difficult. Mr. Motivator, Rob was in the corner there. Use the power of your table. You've got so many people that you can make an educated guess on this. So, what have we got? We've got a number of blues. Everyone, this is proper peer pressure, isn't it? Everyone's what I know. We've got Mohammed Salahs, very interesting. Gareth Bale seems to get a number of votes, and we've got Kieran here. So, Green, do you have to pick a winner? I'm just going to show you. By the way, when you put your hands up, that's your brain telling things to move around your body. You've got some really fast times here. 432 kilometers right down to 132 kilometers. Your time begins now.
quite tricked us by making the 481 wrong. If I was guessing, I'd go for the yellow.
Okay, see, where you can take it, not talking about it.
It's quite fast.
Yeah, you can see, you know.